to another edition of KeyCast, KeyCode Media's exclusive online summary of new gear, new techniques, and new workflows for the post industry. As always, I'm your guide, Michael Kamas, an applications editor and workflow consultant at KeyCode Media. Today, we'll be expanding on our new product series and discussing a new network-based backup appliance, Cache. Cache devices are small, portable, and yet robust networking appliances that can be used for backing up any data just about anywhere. Utilizing industry-standard LTO-4 tapes, these devices give you the flexibility of a NAS, the usability of a web page, and the reliability of LTO-4 tapes. So, why are these devices quickly becoming a necessity in today's post industry? Here's why. Whether you're on set or in the edit bay, there comes a point in time when you need to battle for storage. Nearchive and archive. What do you keep? What do you lay off and what do you delete? And what about compatibility? We need our remote personnel and clients to have the ability to easily access our data without headache. We also demand reliability. Even the best hard drives out there will fail someday. After all, they're machines with moving parts. Lastly, with the proliferation of tapeless formats, the ability to safeguard your zeros and ones is paramount, both for usability and insurance. So, why is the LTO-4 tape core of the Cache the answer? Well, let's jump into the geek of it for a moment. LTO-4 is the standard for enterprise backup. It has a 30-year shelf life. It's also a format that is reliable with a very small price tag, only about 6 cents per gigabyte. LTO-4 tapes can also hold 800 gigabytes uncompressed or double that in a compressed state. Until now, this has only been found in enterprise-class devices. Well, how does it do this? Let's actually take a look at the device. Cache comes in two flavors, the Pro Cache and the Prime Cache. Both devices feature an LTO-4 A-series tape drive with a Linux CPU as its backend. The 2.8 terabyte Pro Cache has two RAID 0 or 1 single terabyte hard drives and an 800 gigabyte tape drive mechanism, while the Prime Cache sports an 800 gigabyte tape drive with a single 1 terabyte hard drive. The Linux backend with dual Gig-E Ethernet ports allows for simultaneous multi-user access in a Mac, PC, Unix, or Linux environment. This means it easily mounts on any computer you may have. Using a web page administration panel, a user can view current and past tapes and recall this information with only a few mouse clicks. It mounts in a multitude of flavors to your computer, including FTP, Samba, NFS, AFP, Bonjour, and even USB. The Pro Cache even has an eSATA port and Express slot available. What Cache also does is retain a directory of every single tape that has ever been inserted into the drive. Since all the metadata is retained and indexed, this means easy searchability and locating old media is a breeze. See, Cache was designed with post in mind, so much so that NLEs such as Avid and Final Cut Pro can actually utilize media off of the tape in real time, just like a hard drive. So, how do we see this being used in today's workflows? Well, let's examine a few. First off, on set. You can use Cache to back up your P2, XDCAM, and R3D files and never have to worry about a hard drive failing or becoming damaged during shipping. More and more insurance carriers are demanding that your sensitive and expensive footage be kept on something a little bit more reliable than a FireWire drive. Cache can also be used to clear off your edit bay's storage for your next project, yet enable you to search, retrieve, and actually utilize that same project and media in the future with minimal time and effort. You can offload those hundreds or even thousands of hours of stock footage, graphics, and media you just may need someday into another medium and free up your valuable fast storage, whether it be local or SAN. You can even replace those aging and dying FireWire drives that are sitting on your shelf with a proven, non-proprietary format. So now that you're interested, let's take a look at the price tag. This includes both the Pro Cache and the Prime Cache. Whew, I need a glass of water. While I do, check us out online. Where's my water? Seacrest gets water.